Hi friend, uh, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss this pattern which is H. So let's get start. You can use any Python ideally. I am using here Python ideally. You can use anything. You can use any ideally. I'm using Python ideally. Okay, so let's get start. Take a new file. After here I have to see here what is the number of row and columns are 7. Okay, so we require 2 for loop for one column and for one for row. Okay, so first we have to take input from user and value, n is equals to int input enter number for row in range of n. After that for column in range of n. After that if condition, we have to write condition for this first. Okay, here if column is equals to 0 or column is equals to 6, then we want to print star. And another one condition is 0 1 2 3. okay, when row is equals to 3. okay, then we want to print. So write this code. If column is equals to 0 or column is equals to n minus 1. okay, or row is equals to n by 2 and 2. okay, which is half. If this condition is satisfied, print star. okay, and is equals to, you know why I am writing this code. If you don't know, then go to my previous video and watch that videos. okay, print space and is equals to, after each column we want to take a new file. That's why I am writing print. okay, so save this file. You can write anything. I'm writing here H. okay, then run this model. Range number 7. Perfect. This is perfectly running. okay, then again I want to run this. I'm not hard coded it. If I entered any number, then it will exactly print the h. Okay, instead of this, if I write here, if column is equals to 0, if column is equals to 6, then it will not work if I entered any number. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you learn something from this video, then please guys, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you once again.